Mr. Monkey. See
Mr.
what
Monkey
it's-
now
See,
seeing
it's
the
eating.
mirroring.
See, we are showing the mirroring. So my brother is showing the. Hey! That's so. It's too scared. It's looking down. Hey Anna.
It's looking down.
It's seeing what thing.
What is your English language, Avani?
See, it's looking down again.
Oh, who is this? Surprising.
See what it's doing. See, it's scared. It's looking down. See, we gave sunflower seeds, so it's eating. Still,
Give me some sunflower seeds.
see, it came here. See what's doing. See, I will zoom in.
భయపడిస్తున్నది
See.
భయపడిస్తున్నది
See, it's trying to scare us. Eh?
It's scaring us. Azing. See. See.
Oh! What are you doing? I beat you. See how?
See
Ah!
what it's doing.
Hey, beat again.
See.
Beat again.
It's going that side. Come, let's go. Come.
Beat again.
Anna, can you bring the stick here?
You can spell brother also.
Brother. See what the monkey is doing. See, I'm going to zoom it.
Eat silent.
See, I'm keeping it normal.
So
Action.
hearing we got in sticking and some sunflower.
See, stick, biggest stick.
It's getting.
Why are you doing that like?
See.
It's getting.
See, we are zooming for you
It's
guys.
going.
So let's go there again. Let's see the monks. Monkey. Monks. Where is the monk?
Darling, two small monkeys fighting.
See there. See there in two small monkeys.
Monkey coming, running away. Oh!
See here a biggest monkey in the world. Just now,
It is
which just now we fed some sunflower.
no, guys. Just now we are giving. That is not a very big.
See, let's see from here. See.
We are giving some. Seeing.
See, let's see.